let's talk about one of the grossest beauty secrets in history. The ancient Romans used pee as mouthwash. Yes, you heard that right. Human urine in the mouth on purpose. Turns out, urine contains ammonia, a powerful natural cleanser. Romans figured this out the hard way and decided it would be perfect for whitening teeth. So instead of toothpaste, they'd swish a mouthful of aged urine, the older the better. And no, this wasn't a weird fringe thing, it was common practice. But here's where it gets even crazier. Some Romans believed pee from Portugal worked better, so they imported it across the empire. That's right, Portuguese pee became a luxury item. And if you think that's where the madness ends, oh no. Roman launderers, called fullers, also used urine to bleach clothes. They'd collect it in pots placed on the street, where passers-by were encouraged to contribute. Yep, public pee pots. Once collected, fullers would stomp the clothes in a fermented urine bath to whiten togas to that signature Roman brightness. The smell? Probably awful. The results? Apparently dazzling. And because Rome never missed a chance to make money, Emperor Vespasian introduced a urine tax. If you bought it for cleaning, bleaching, or dental use, you had to pay. Fun fact: Vespasian's name still lives on today, in French public urinals called Vespasiennes. Now here's the big twist. Romans were obsessed with cleanliness. They had complex bathhouses, aqueducts, and even running water. But their idea of clean included soaking your laundry and your teeth in pee. Weird? Totally. Effective? Actually, yes. Modern science confirms ammonia does clean and whiten. So next time you're brushing your teeth with minty toothpaste, just be thankful you weren't born in ancient Rome. If that made your jaw drop, just wait till you hear what else they did with body fluids. Tap the next video for more weird history you've never heard in school. Like, comment, and subscribe to tell everyone trivia. Because history is way weirder than you think.